What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. We got another special one for you today. Today we're going to drive a 2012 Nissan GT-R Black Edition. So this is a 3.8 liter V6 twin turbocharged. Comes 530 brake horsepower from the factory, 448 pound-foot of torque. This specific car does have an ECU Tech Tune, full turbo back exhaust by Stillen. Has an APR front lip, and then guess what, we have R6 forged wheels ordered from Speed by Design. So these are Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. On the rear we got 345/30 ZR 20s, and on the front we got 285/35s. This is a beautiful car. For someone like me, this is a dream to be able to drive one of these. So I'm super grateful. We'll go ahead and pop the hood real quick. It's got HKS blow-off valves. They sound really good. Let's check them out. Alright, let's waste no time. Let's go ahead and take this baby for a spin. Go ahead and show you the interior really quick. It's got Bose sound system, really nice Recaro seats. Let's go ahead and start her up. Man, that baby sounds good. Go ahead and make a couple revs for you. I love this custom view gauges that you can customize. You got boost, transmission oil temp, pressure, engine oil temp, coolant temp. It's amazing. Alright, let's go take it for a spin. Another beautiful day in Michigan. So this does have a 6-speed dual clutch transmission. You can just leave it in auto so it electronically shifts itself, which is pretty nice. But as soon as you hit one of the paddles, it goes right into manual mode. You want to switch it back to automatic, just hit it over. Making some really fantastic noises. Just wait until you can hear the HKS blow-off valves. Did I mention this car is all-wheel drive? Also has an amazing launch control. Alright, let's take it for a little spin here. See what we can do. Rocket ship. Super impressive. Man, no body roll. This thing just gets. I even have it on comfort mode because these back roads, it's not comfortable. If we were on the track, you know, we would switch it on. Put it back in auto. Let's go ahead and do a little 0 to 60. I'll put it in manual mode. I'm not going to do a full launch. We're just going to go ahead and just hit the gas. Full on rocket. Wow. This thing is insane. I am just grinning ear to ear. I'd love to have one of these in my garage. About to take it through these curves. Go ahead and see what we can do here. Taking it easy. I mean, this is a GT-R, right? Go ahead and put it in automatic. Go for a little cruise now. Push the gas a little bit for you. This is an amazing ride, that's for sure. It almost feels like you can't get much better than this. Even though it is not a stick shift, and I prefer stick shifts, this is a very satisfying car to drive. Feels super mechanical. I mean, it is Godzilla. Nissan GT-R. This is definitely one on my list to get. If I had one of these, I'd be satisfied. Completely. All-wheel drive, twin turbos. Man. It's got plenty of power. And it's also pretty comfortable just driving normal. Put it in cruise control. Drives great. Alright everyone, well thanks for watching my experience with the Nissan GT-R. This was incredible. I can't even really put it into words right now. I'm just kind of got a little adrenaline rush from that. So hopefully you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.